Hey there, welcome to the Happy Pear. With Halloween just around the corner, we're super excited to show you some spook-tacular and nutritious treats to enjoy this season. First up, we have our delicious graveyard guacamole. This creepy creation is made with fresh avocados, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together to create a smooth and creamy dip. Then, grab some edible tombstone-shaped crackers and stick them into the guacamole. Add a few veggie worms peeking out from the ground, and your graveyard platter is complete. Next, we have our monster apple bites. Take a crisp green apple and slice it into thick rings. Spread some creamy almond butter on each slice, and then place some spooky eyes made from blueberries on top. Finish it off with some slivered almonds as fangs, and you've got yourself a healthy, yet scary, Halloween snack. Now, to our Frankenstein kiwi pops. Peel a kiwi and cut it into thick slices. Use a popsicle stick to skewer each slice from the bottom. Decorate the top with chocolate chips for the eyes, and use small slivers of strawberry as Frankenstein's bowls. These kiwi pops are not only frightfully cute, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Last, but not least, we have our spooky spider energy balls. In a food processor, blend dates, almonds, and cocoa powder until they form a sticky dough. Roll the mixture into small balls and press 2 googly-eyed raisins onto each one to create the spooky spider effect. These protein-packed treats are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without any added sugars. We hope you enjoyed our healthy and haunting Halloween treats. Share these with your friends and family and have a fantastic Halloween. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Happy Halloween!